In this example, it says to display the data from the table as a matrix T. So I know my matrix is going to be the letter T, so I'm going to say T equals. And it appears that I have 3 columns, my flight information, hotel information, and car information, along with 3 rows, the different types that I can have, luxury or business or economy, kind of the different classes. So it actually appears that my data is almost in a 3 by 3 matrix grid already. I just need to go ahead and get rid of all the extra text that's there. So my flight information will go in my first column. It'll go right down the classes, luxury, business, economy. The hotel information will go straight down the second column, again, luxury, business, and economy. And my car information will go straight down the third column, luxury, business, and economy. So my flights will be $524.99, and that's going to go with my luxury, my business, and my last one is $219 for my economy, and that'll be my first column. My hotel information will roll just like this with luxury, business, and economy. And finally, my car information, again, luxury, business, and economy. And the good thing about using a matrix is that we don't have to worry about dollar signs. There's no units here. We don't have to worry about column headings or row headings. We're only focused on the data, so we know what the information is even though we've stripped everything away, and we can use it later on if we need to.